Are you ready to turn your band photos from just okay to breathtaking? Well, get ready to learn the insider tips and tricks to capture more dynamic and compelling shots of your band. So join me as I reveal the top secrets on how you can take better band photos and elevate your band photography. Hi there. So a couple of weeks back, I was asked by a friend of mine to capture some band photography photos of them for their band called Rachel and Lorenzo Jazz and Blues. And I went there to their studio and started taking some band shots for them. So if you're a photographer or a band member, you'll know that capturing some really stunning band photography is no easy task, but don't worry, I'm here to help you. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can take some better band photos. Tip number 1 is using the right equipment. Having the right equipment is essential for capturing great band photography. I recommend using a DSLR or a mirrorless camera with a really high sensor in it so you can capture really high quality images. Also, a wide angle lens is a really great option to capture the entire band, and I'll just show you some of the options you can choose from of good wide angle lenses to use for this type of photo shoot. Tip 2 is using proper lighting. Good quality lighting can really make a difference on the quality of your band photos. Natural lighting is always the best option, but if you're working indoors, be sure to use softboxes, and if you're using a flash, when you're using the flash, don't point it straight at the subject. Make sure that you direct the flash to a softbox to diffuse the light a little bit. So that way you don't get any harsh shadows or the colour won't be washed out this way. Tip 3 is composition. Pay attention to the composition of your images. Think about the placement of the band members and the instruments that they're using, and experiment with different angles and different perspectives to find the best composition for the photo that you're capturing. Tip number 4 is capture the emotion of the band. Band photos are not just about capturing the appearance of the band, but also conveying the emotion and energy that they put through as well. Encourage the band members to interact with each other and the audience. Capture their facial expressions and their body language to capture a really engaging and dynamic image. And don't be afraid to ask the band to do silly poses to loosen them up a bit and just have a little bit of fun when you're doing the shoot as well. Tip number 5 is edit with care. So editing is the final step to creating really dynamic and fantastic images. Using an editing software to adjust the exposure, the contrast, and the color balance. However, don't go overboard when you're editing. You don't want to edit the image so much that it gives an artificial look to the image. You want to edit it just enough to capture an authentic and natural look that captures the essence of the band. So there you have it. That's all my tips I have for you today on how you can take better band photography. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and try some different techniques next time you do a photo shoot or a band photo shoot. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you did find it helpful and the advice I gave you today was something you might use in the future, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on different varieties of photography. And if you're lost on what equipment you should be using for your next photo shoot, you should start right here.